Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your slay at home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I am back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, today's unit comes from UNice, Amazon, so I have to send a huge thank you to them for sending over this unit for me to review. If you want to see how I got this look from this 4x4 closure, stay tuned. All right, sunshines, let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing with this UNice unit. In the box, you get some lashes, a headband, even though it's not a headband wig, as well as a wig cap. With the unit, this is the 4x4 18-inch body wave human hair wig. You see you have the two combs in the front, comb in the back, stretch cap, as well as adjustable straps in the back. And coming up, I'm just going to be showing you what the knots look like on this particular unit prior to being bleached and plucked. And here is the side by side. And now I'm just taking my Fit Me powder and just filling in the lace just to tint it a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my bedhead spray just to kind of hold that tint color on the lace. So one of the first things you want to do when you want to really melt that lace is you want to get all of the hair out of your way. You don't want to start melting with random strands in the way. So I use my hot comb to just kind of comb the hair back so that it's not in the way when we're getting ready to melt this lace. And I'm just smoothing it with my curling iron, and I'm going to go in with this bedhead spray, and I'm just going to spray that, air dry it a little bit. I just took the stock card and did a little light blow on there, and then I go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting. And what I'm going to do is go in with a second layer of this bedhead spray. I really like this. The smell is great, and I haven't had any adverse reactions to it. And I'm going to go in again, and this time you want to take a rat tail comb, kind of smooth that hairspray into the lace and your skin, and then I'm going to put a layer of this spray on top of the lace. And with that same rat tail comb, I'm just smoothing that in, and then I'm going to kind of comb it through so that it's going upward a little bit further up on my head so that it gets a better grip. And next, you see me take this elastic band. This is key. I will have one linked in the description box below where you can purchase it on Amazon. But this really kind of brings it all together. You want that to lay directly on the lace where you sprayed that hairspray to smooth it into your skin. Here, I'm just taking this jewelry comb. It's like a comb and a razor to just kind of cut a layer in the front so I can get a little swoop action going where a bang would be. Next, I'm going ahead and cutting the lace. So you want to cut as close as possible to the hairline without cutting into the hairline. But it's okay if you leave a little bit of lace on there because we're going to go back and refine the cutting. So once you have removed the lace, what you're going to do next is what's really going to set your melted lace apart from those that are not melted. You're going to go back in with that same bedhead spray, get the tail end of that rat tail comb, and you're going to slowly smooth it down. This is key. You want to do like a slow, smooth down. It just melts the lace. It's like you went from seeing it to not seeing it, and it's so vital. Look at it. Like, show me where the lace starts without looking at the knots. Show me where the lace starts. That is one of the major keys when melting your lace. And now I'm just going in with my Nairobi foaming mousse. I pumped a little bit on my hand just to get better control, dipped my edge brush into that, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple small swoops. It's time for the transformation. It's time for the transformation. No, so I did my makeup and I'm just coming back now, going in to smooth that out in the front so that there isn't any bulkiness near the parting space. And as I begin to take my hair down out of the clips, I noticed that the style just kind of fell. So I did go ahead and recurl this style, which you'll see the outcome of that a little bit later. So the curls did fall a little limp, but look at this hairline. Doesn't it look good? I loved it. So y'all, I did go in and recurl my hair, and I used the Protect Me from the Sexy Hair, Hot Sexy Hair collection to hold it as well as to protect it from the heat. And I'll show that bottle momentarily. Back, and you just saw how I got into this unit. And yes, you guys, this is a closure wig. Let's not sleep on the closures, because sometimes we don't want to have to deal with the full frontal. Sometimes we just want to keep it right here, you know, right here. And it's like, where's the lace, honey? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, you guys, let me just go ahead and jump into the specs of this wig, as well as give you the pros and cons. So the length, I do have this unit. This is the 18-inch 4x4 closure body wave wig from UNice Amazon. The density, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like she could be a little bit more dense, but I feel like it's like the perfect density for day-to-day wear. I'm just a girl who loves volume. Volume, like that's me. Like I'm just trying to be like Farrah Fawcett in here, you know what I'm saying? So I could use a little bit more density, but I still feel like she's a good density for, you know, day-to-day wear. I did not experience any tangling with this unit. I did get just a tad bit of shedding, but I think it's from me bleaching the knots. So I can't even blame the wig on that. This unit is currently going for just under, I believe, $140, but there's also a coupon code that you can use. Check the description box. I got you. You can purchase this unit. The link for this unit will be in the description box as well. UNice Amazon. I would say that this unit is big head friendly. I didn't go in and adjust the straps or anything like that. Very beginner friendly. Like the closure is like the starting place for people that want to venture into wigs and not have too much to deal with in terms of like the ear to ear lace or like a 6x6, you know. So those type of things. The closure, this 4x4 is so beginner friendly, super easy. You got it, you could do it. You know what I'm saying? It's super beginner friendly for those that are venturing into human hair wigs. I feel like it's the first step for those that are wanting to venture into that. The texture of this is more, I mean, it's human hair, so it's, I believe, Brazilian body wave texture. So kind of silky, not too much yucky texture in this particular unit. And the luster, I feel like it's just right. I did bleach the knots on this unit, so I did go ahead and wash it, and I feel like it kind of got rid of any like wiggy shine, but I mean, it didn't really have too much of that anyway. So the Pros. I love the length. I feel like 18 inches is just like the perfect length. This is where it's falling on me. Also, it has natural color. Also, the affordability. Like, it's the affordability for me, sis. Cons, again, I would just say I need a little bit more density. Other than that, I feel like this was a good look. You know, she's giving me very classy, giving me very dainty, like she's giving me very soft vibes, and I'm all for a little soft look. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Drop down in the comments section. I feel like she will be good for summer, simply because it's summer. You don't want to have to worry about hot, heavy, super thick, super long hair during the summertime. At least not me, you know? So I feel like she could work for that. Let me know what you think about this unit. Also, if you're already a part of the Sunshine Tribe, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. Please join. Hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the post notifications whenever I make any posts or videos. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. Drop down. You'll see there should be links in my description box. But if it's not, I am at the Sophie Chanelle on Instagram. And follow me over on my Facebook, Sophie Chanelle 1. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.